Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TinyTask on Anime Vanguard. TinyTask is a powerful, free automation tool that records your mouse clicks and keyboard inputs. It's incredibly lightweight, often under 40 kilobytes, and doesn't even require installation. This makes it perfect for automating repetitive tasks, like those found in games, by creating simple macros. To get started, first download TinyTask from its official website. Once downloaded, simply double-click the executable file to open it, as no installation is needed. Navigate to the preferences to set your desired play speed, often 1x, and enable continuous playback. Also, assign a convenient recording hotkey, like Ctrl-Shift-Alt-R, for quick access. Now, open Anime Vanguard and prepare for the actions you wish to automate. Press your designated recording hotkey to start capturing every mouse movement, click, and keystroke. Once you've completed the sequence, press the recording hotkey again to stop. To replay your recorded macro, simply press the playback hotkey, and TinyTask will repeat your actions precisely. For advanced usage, consider enabling the Always on Top option in TinyTask's preferences so the window remains visible during gameplay. You can also save your recorded macros as standalone executable files, making them easy to share or use without TinyTask running. For even more convenience, check out the link in the description for these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. This helps streamline your routine and keeps you organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.